Hello.
Good morning.
So yesterday was Thanksgiving. It was a really...
Sorry.
So yesterday was Thanksgiving. It was a really relaxing day. Hung out on the beach for like 5 hours.
Yeah, we got up, got our chairs at like 8:30, and then had breakfast at 9:30. We just had a really nice buffet at the hotel. It's all indoor, outdoor seating, so
There were birds.
birds were flying everywhere.
As soon as you got up, they would like try going onto your table. As soon as you sat back down, they're like, "Oh, I can't be here."
I have to go away.
Yeah.
So we did that, then we went back to the beach. The water at first is definitely chilly, but once you get all the way in, it's really refreshing.
Then we went down to like this little downtown strip area. There's a bunch of like local like vendors that are selling souvenirs, and there's some casinos, and then some real nice high-end type of shops. We didn't go into any of those.
I wanted to though.
Yeah, me too, but we weren't buying anything.
No, not this trip.
Nope, maybe next trip. She's covered in calamine lotion.
Yes, I am. One thing I will say is, if you're prone to getting bug bites, you will get them bad and they will swell up.
Yeah. I haven't been bit once, but she's been bit like 100 times.
Like 6. But everyone on the island uses calamine lotion. They use it for burns. They use it for bug bites. It's really helped. Thank goodness, because I would just be absolutely miserable without it. So yeah.
Then last night we had our first Thanksgiving meal as a married couple. We had dinner on the beach.
It was very romantic. Our waiter was awesome. His name was Elton, so if you're ever at the Manchego, definitely request him. He is off Tuesdays and Saturdays.
Yep. But we had a really good dinner. I had steak and lobster, and she had a seafood dish. Of course, we split them so that we could try a little bit of everything. The soup was delicious. Salad, you love the salad, right?
Salad was really good. It was goat cheese, some greens, watermelon. I mean, you really can't beat that. It also had grilled mushrooms, which gave it an interesting twist, but it was really good. The wine they chose for me was delicious. I had a white wine because I was mainly having fish, so that was good.
And other than that, it was a really peaceful, relaxing day. And today will probably be one as well. So
Yep.
talk to you later.
Bye.